guys, Star Tino here. I'm actually at Nanya Couture in Pretoria, the north of Johannesburg. So today I came to shop for Angara fabric. You guys know how much I love Angara, and she has, guys, impeccable quality. So I always come here because I know I'm gonna get the best. And obviously, we all have different styles. So a lot of people normally ask me, Tino, how do you pick when you see so many fabrics around you? How do you then pick which one you like? So for me, I know my aesthetics. I know that I always like very bright colors and with small prints or geometric. So I will choose florals every now and then, but I like bright and geometrics. And you guys have seen me make a whole outfit with this. It's still my favorite. I love this fabric. So also I would like, things that I like obviously is I'm obsessed with stars. I'm obsessed with stars, and I absolutely love this white. I think this will be perfect now for summer, having like a white stars with pink and blue background. Definitely, I think this would be a really good one. And then this is such a popular print, but it's always in gold and like a brown. This print, it's like a snake print almost. It's such a popular print, but I just love the fact that this one is not that, it's a different colorway. So sometimes I will buy the same print but in a different colorway, and this is such a nice colorway, this turquoise and black. So things like this really excite me. It's bright but it's not very big, and it's easy. You don't have to worry about pattern matching. It's so easy to sew. I can just quickly make something. I don't have to worry about where I want to put the pattern placements, So every now and then I do go for like florals and things like that, but mostly when Nanya knows, even when I ask her what do you have in stock, she knows. She's like, Tino wants cottony feel. She wants things that have small prints but very bright and colorful. I'll be like, send me everything you've got that's in pink. She always comes through with all the pink fabrics. So shame, she always gets weird messages from me, but I think today my winners are these two.